The only tool needed for this install is a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 2001 to 06 GMC Yukon XL Denali liftgate style only. So let's get started. First step, remove 2 Phillips screws securing the taillight. Next, go ahead and unseat your taillight. Now go ahead and disconnect your harness from your taillight assembly. And then we're gonna disconnect these 3 bulb sockets by turning counterclockwise. So before we bring over our new taillight, go ahead and inspect the rubber gasket seals on the bulb sockets. Make sure they're all intact to prevent any moisture. So the top one is your turn signal bulb. Go ahead and disconnect that bulb. And then your bottom bulb socket is your parking and brake. Go ahead and disconnect that bulb. So go ahead and bring over your new taillight. Turn it to the back. We're gonna grab this bulb socket here, which is reverse. We're gonna plug it into the bottom. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Make sure it's secure. Then next, you're gonna take the bottom socket, which is your parking and brake. You're gonna connect that with the top wedge connector. You're gonna line up the black wire with the black wire. Make sure you connect it. Go ahead and install this bulb socket into the assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, you're gonna take the top bulb socket. Go ahead and get the middle wedge connector. Plug that into the bulb socket. Make sure your negative wire matches up with your negative wire. Go ahead and plug this into the assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, these 2 guide pins, go ahead and drop it into the slots here to line it up. Drop your harness in. Drop the guide pins in. Go ahead and reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. Now that we're finished installing the driver's side tail light, just repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished with this install, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.